Hello, my YouTube friend. I have a fun little unboxing today. It's a VIP box for the DesignerCon that's going on this weekend. Because of the pandemic and whatnot, they've moved it online. So for the next 3 days, we'll be enjoying the DCON online through the popshoplive app. They have tickets for the event. I think it's $10 for general admission, where you get access starting Saturday at 10 a.m. And then there's a VIP ticket that you get access starting today at 5 p.m. And with the VIP ticket, you get sent this box. And that's what I'm going to unbox today, which is pretty cool. I'm actually really excited. They sent this to me to check out and to promote the convention a little bit. And I said, of course, because I like DCON and I love designer toys and that kind of stuff. So I'm actually really excited to go through this. If you want to know what's going on with DCON, it's basically if you are a designer vinyl art fan, this is a con for you because they're going to be releasing all kinds of toys and special editions and limited editions. So for some of the stuff, if you're a diehard fan and you buy a lot of this kind of stuff, you probably want the VIP ticket to get first access to a lot of the things. But if you just want to check it out and you're not like chasing after anything specific, the $10 ticket would probably be pretty cool because then you can check out everything over the weekend. Okay, so let's open up this box. Let's see what's inside it. I think every person who buys a VIP ticket is supposed to get this box of goodies. All right, let's see what's in here. Ooh, okay. This looks like there's a lot of fun stuff in here. Let's, was there a Sharpie in here? Okay, this is a cute little, like, keyring Sharpie. That's actually very functional. Let's see. Yeah, it's like a regular Sharpie. It's a little bit short. It has their logo on that. You stick down your keychain. It's always nice to have an accessible Sharpie. That's actually really cool. And they have a bear brick. It looks kind of like Marty McFly, but I think it's their icon. Okay, that's cool. Let me get it out of the package. I actually want to look at that. Okay, so, you know, with your VIP ticket, you're going to get this cool DCON bear brick. So if you're a bear brick fan, that's actually really neat. That is cool. Looks like you get a Good Smile figure. It's a Mickey Mouse of some sort. Okay, let's open it up and check out what it is. It's a blind box 90th anniversary. So I guess there's 6 different variations you can get. I don't want to rip the box. Okay, cut the tape. We got the little figure inside. Ooh, it's a silver one. Okay. I do like my metallic figures. Oh, I'm going to have to cut that as well. Oop. All right. Oh, it's a cool little Minnie Mouse. All right, so that's what she looks like. She looks really cute. It's like a cool, like, scaled metal armor almost with a little golden highlight. That's a really neat figure. I like that. Okay, let's see what we got in here. We got just a card for the Minnie Mouse. Okay. We have, it looks like a lanyard for DCON. With a little logo on it for the character. That is really cool. So it's almost like you can put it on and you're at the DCON. We have a stand. Oh, I wonder if this is for the Minnie Mouse. Yeah, I think it is. Okay, so she has her own little stand that wasn't in the box. Not sure how well you add it, but whoop. All right. It looks like it's a little bit hard to get into the stand. I'll fiddle with that later. Okay, we have a DesignerCon 2020. It looks like a DeLorean, but with a DesignerCon character. I guess that's why they dress him up like Marty McFly a little bit. Because that's the theme. The future of sneaker care. Ooh, I wonder what this is. Shoelaces, maybe? Okay, it just looks like cleaning products to clean your sneakers. So the packaging is really cool. I don't know if I'll actually use that because I usually get darker sneakers. But that's a cool little package we got there. We have, ooh, okay, this is cute. It's a little DesignerCon minifigure. I'm such a sucker for blue figures, or like kind of slightly translucent blue figures. Okay, he is really cute. I like that. He's a little bit rubbery. He's kind of like a muscle man, kind of in his feel, but I love it. That is really cool. Okay, now we have a spreading positive vibrations. It's like a bracelet or shoelaces, maybe. Rastaclat. Okay, not sure what that is. Ooh, we have a pin. Okay, that's cool. We have a DCON VIP popshoplive pin. That is really neat. That's cool. So it's really like you get this box, you feel like you went to the convention almost. And then you have your VIP tag. Thanks to our sponsors. That's everyone who sponsored it. Okay, that is really cool. Wow, I like this. I'm enjoying this. Okay, and then we have the DCON online brochure. All right, let me move this box out so I can look at this better. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure what they're going to show us. They're probably just showing us some of the different events. So it looks like we have some bear bricks. These are probably just kind of limited for the event. And, you know, I'll let it here. You can pause it if you want to read all these pages. I'll just go through it slowly. So this is just showing some of the artists that are going to be here. And, okay, we have some more cool DesignerCon figures. That is neat. And then we have different sizes of the bear bricks, different figures. So it's definitely, oh, it's a Back to the Future theme with a lot of these. Okay. Some advertisements. Some more advertisements. Okay, 3D. I think I've actually shopped at the 3D Retro store on the popshoplive. So the popshoplive app is actually kind of fun. It's like you're in the store where they basically, the different shops live stream and they add things that you can buy directly through the live stream. It's actually really fun. And I'm going to go through this slowly so you guys can read the pages. You just pause it if you want to read what's there. It's a cool looking figure. Or I guess it's artwork that they're going to turn into a figure. And there's just a bunch of pins. And I guess these are the different shop or vendors that are going to be in the con. Ooh, Mayan style. I like the Mayan style figures. And, oh, that looks like, yeah, Tomar. I used to collect some of this stuff back in the day, like 10, 15 years ago. Love that stuff. It's cool. We've got some more cool stuff. So yeah, that's the little brochure that kind of gives you an idea of what's going to be in the con. And it looks like next year they're going to bring it back in live. Hopefully everything is cleaned up with the pandemic and we can have some more conventions again. That'll be awesome. So I'm going to be enjoying the con all weekend. And if you guys want to check it out, I'll put links in the description below of how to find Pop Shop Live and find the convention itself. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.